statistics on the basket. I think you've got something to share with us, right?
Yes, good afternoon everyone. Ellarkum vanakkam. Well, yes, it's not something which we do regularly.
Right.
It's actually, I'm here to create a little awareness. எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் pan India போயிட்டு இருக்கு this topic which is a survey which is conducted by Ariel Nielsen survey. அதில் வந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கிற ஒரு big topic. I think it's been there for decades, this question, is laundry only a women's job? And I think it's high time that men could also be a part of it.
Right. Well, it's interesting that this is something that's been going on sort of behind the scenes. It's not something that we really think about, but if I'm going to ask you, is this something that you would have consciously thought about until the topic came up?
Definitely. It's always been in, I think, in every woman's head, not even women, every girl who's growing up, it's a fear. And I think when this particular event came to me, I was really happy, and I think it's a privilege being here to talk about this topic. எனக்கு வந்து என்ன தோன்றுனா இப்போ வந்து it's a traditional belief or a traditional thing which we follow, that men are supposed to be the traders who earns for the family, and women are supposed to take care of the family and household or laundry or whatever. But now that I feel the time has changed. Women are also becoming both men and women are working. Women are also contributing to the economy of the family, but they are not getting the they have working women, they have to do two jobs. One, working outside for the family, contributing to the family. Second thing is working, taking care of the kids, taking care of the husband, then doing the laundry, all the chores. Amongst all the works they do, they have one extra work of cleaning the house and the laundry. So அது வந்து அவங்க working womenக்கும் இந்த ஒரு advantage இல்லை, மற்றவங்க மாதிரி ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி advantage இல்லை. எனக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா, I have a beautiful, in the event வரும்போது நான் யோசிச்சேன், I was looking back into my childhood, and I have this beautiful images, visuals of my dad. He used to help my mom actually on Sundays, only on Sundays. When he had like break, he used to help my mother, helping with the laundry, and
it's still a step in the right direction, right?
Yeah, exactly. So I think that's one beautiful image I have. About my father helping my mother. He used to like really yell at us cleaning the uniform and all. Are you really going to school or somewhere? So much of dirt. And when it comes to Ariel, I have a lot of childhood memories with it, because Ariel always brings that image of white. Yeah, school uniforms and white color. So, but I think always men, they do help women, but all on the easier jobs like cooking, taking care of kids, taking them out. But I don't think much men are into cleaning and laundry. They always feel it's women's job.
Right. Well, as Amala's been saying, so far, I mean, it's been a job of the women of the household. So I'm also going to bring my little basket to join you, just so that we're both on the same team. And as you can see, as the stats reveal, I've got my own little one over here, which is that more than 2/3 of Indian women feel that there does exist an inequality in the home between men and women. I think, Amala, yours is one of those rare households where your dad actually managed to chip in. But
no, but I have my brother. That's the sad part. He is like 3 years elder to me, but he still needs my mother for everything, from ironing his clothes. We have a help at home. Still, he's not very comfortable with her, but he wants mom to be there, taking care of ironing, picking up his clothes, cleaning arranging his wardrobe. Right. So it's like I get into fight with him, always like, aren't you ashamed? Why do you? I mean, he's going to kill me for this, but yeah. Sadly, I think, and my dad else said to him, I always tell my dad, inime edum panna mudiyadhu. Like, I think ipo vandu more than helping the women, what I want to tell all the men around is, your son is watching you and he is growing. Always for kids, parents are their inspiration. So in future, your daughter is also going to get married to a family, and will you be able to see her, taking care of the entire family, cleaning the laundry and doing all the work? So I think it's about conditioning your kids. One more thing is that you are conditioning your kids. நீங்க வந்து உங்க வைஃபை ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும்போது your son especially is seeing that, he's learning from you. So future when he gets married he is definitely going to help his wife, and he's not going to think it's a woman's job, it's my wife's job. Yeah, so it works in both ways.
Right. Well, you've been talking about your parents, but I'm sure everybody here also wants to know a little bit about your own household. I mean, I'm tempted to ask, tell us a bit about your husband. Does he chip in? I mean, both of you are working, both of you are super busy. What is that equation like?
I think I feel I'm the most luckiest girl to have Vijay in my life. That man, he is amazing. He's wonderful. Like, எனக்கு வந்து expect பண்ணதோட அவ்வளோல expect பண்ண முடியாது நம்மளால. He's really amazing because நான் வந்து இந்த event எடுக்கும்போது I was discussing this with Vijay and he's like, அம்மு நீயும் லாண்ட்ரியும் சம்பந்தமே இல்லையே. Why are you even It was like that. So he is at home we have help and we have people to take care, but when we go abroad he really helps packing. He's the one who will be packing.
Wow, okay.
He's the one who will be folding clothes and he is ready to iron clothes for me. He doesn't really think, okay, it's your job or, you know, I think I have the privilege of being a kid always. Got married early. So that privilege is there. Still, he really helps. Even when it comes to his co-sister, his sister, his mother, he really helps, you know, all of them in laundry. He really picks up the clothes from the room and he goes and keep it in the laundry room or machine. He's ready to do that. He doesn't feel ashamed in doing that.
I think I see him in a completely different light now, and maybe he should have been part of the event telling all the guys out there, guys, you can do it, follow my lead.
So it's not that we are trying to say that men have to do it. At least they should show a support, encouragement. That all women expect, I think. Even, you know, my co-sister, I see her, even though we have help at home, I see her running around the kids and all that. And I always tell her, why can't you be smiling? Just be relaxed. You know, she's like, I have so much work. So women, they're always stressed, and I think the husbands really need to tell them to, you know, breathe. Just be free, chill, it's okay. We are there to support. That's all a women need, at least, I think.
Yeah, a little bit of support from their husbands, which apparently you have a lot of. So I guess you're a lucky girl. So we're so excited you could be here with us today and share your own personal experiences. Of course, Ariel has been a big part of all of our lives. So as we wind things up and before we chat with everybody, is there sort of a message that you want to share with everyone here?
I think I've spoken a lot, and main thing is that today's kids are tomorrow's generation. So இப்போ வந்து நீங்க வந்து உங்க பசங்களை ட்ரெயின் பண்ற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். It's like conditioning your kids. So நீங்க வந்து என்ன பண்றதோ அதான் அவங்க கத்துக்க போறாங்க, and that's what they're going to do to their wife and their family. So show that support to your wife, you know, even in case that you're really busy and adu panna mudiyalana kuda, you know, just encourage them, you know, let them know that we are seeing your effort and be a part of their hard work and you know, just make sure, just tell them that we love you, thanks to doing all this, thanks to taking care of my family. And I think that's all that they expect end of the day, and I think they really deserve it for that. So என்னோட personal experience ல இருந்தோ நான் சொல்றேன், my mom and all, I know how much அவங்க எல்லாம் நமக்கு எல்லாம் லைஃப்ல நிறைய கிடைக்கும் compliments, but I don't think our parents, that generation, they don't have that habit of complimenting each other. So I think we should develop that at least.
All right, well, a lot of interesting insights into Amala's life, and I think we're all working towards even happier households. But I'm going to have all of you think about this a little bit as we bring something special onto the stage, and we're going to leave you all with a bit of a question and something to think about. So we'll have Amala do the honors.